Hello, PACE 111B class. A happy Labor Day to you all. This is Steve, your course guide and facilitator. I wanted to take a moment to introduce you to an upcoming grading event for this course, which is our team project focusing on managing distractions. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the team project, again, is focusing on managing distractions. You are going to research 5 best strategies for managing distractions. You're going to want to identify and define some common distractions that college students, and more importantly, adult learners like yourselves experience. And this is to be 4 to 6 minutes. You will not actually be presenting it live to me. So in a second, I'll get to some of the formats that students have used in the past. Under our unit number 6 module, we have a number of sources that you can use for researching the 5 best strategies. You also want to go beyond that and utilize some additional resources. And we want to make sure that the presentation has audio, narration, or speaker notes tied to it, making sure that you're citing sources correctly, and not reading the slides. So we want to keep the slide text to a minimum and use the themes or topics as your talking prompts. The team project is due the end of unit number 7, which is going to be October 3rd. So, who is in your group? So I have divided you up into 5 groups. I think we have 15 students on the course roster. Some of you are highly engaged, or what I would call high impact students. Others of you are not. So group 1 and 2, you are basically the performers, if you will. So you have been put in a group with other students who are performing at a consistent rate in the course. So group number 1, we have Ashley, Tina, and Kima. Group number 2, we have Jerry, J-Flo, and Andrew. And then the rest of the groups are listed here. So how do you access your group? You can go to My Tools at the top of the course page on Leo, and you'll be able to see your group members there. I will try to send a follow-up email to some of the groups to let you know each other's email addresses so you can start communicating. Now, how will you communicate? So, in the past, there have been a variety of mechanisms students have used to communicate that you see here, creating a shared Google Doc that everyone can contribute to, Office 365 using Microsoft Teams, WhatsApp, text messaging, and Zoom. So feel free to utilize whatever communication platforms are easiest for your group. You want to get introduced to each other now. We're ending right now, getting ready to end unit number 3. But things are, as you probably have discovered, are moving very quickly in the session and this course. So on another note, we have a team charter that is due the end of unit number 6 on September 26th. So this is to build in some accountability for all of the group members. So you're going to list your vision, your team's vision for the group project, and everyone who is contributing needs to sign it. So if you download this document, it's going to be under our unit number 6. You're going to see that it's fillable. and that everybody should be able to then sign it. Now, we don't really want somebody signing it if say I'm in your group and I have done nothing. I haven't communicated with you. I probably shouldn't be signing the team charter. The purpose of the team charter is to really protect those members who are, again, actively contributing to the group project. It's not fair for me to get the same credit that you do, even though I'm not communicating. Some of the formats that students have used in the past for the team project are listed here. If you're going to go with a PowerPoint, you want to have either slide notes or narration. Podcasts have been really exciting in the past, where the team's kind of doing a podcast and playing different roles. A YouTube, Prezi, Zoom, it's all there. ScreenPal is a really great resource if you want to, kind of what I'm using right now to create this video. You can capture your image on your computer or your laptop, and then just you do the narration right over that, record the video right over that. Another part of the team project that you'll submit the end of unit number 7 on October 3rd is kind of a review or evaluation of each of your team members. That we have a copy of the evaluation here, the image. So it's important that we be honest and we let me know who has contributed and who hasn't. So it's not snitching. You know, back in my day, that was called snitching. But it's really, again, out of fairness, to make sure that I'm not getting credit for the work that I didn't do, if you will. So as always in this course, please follow up with me with any questions you have. The best way to do that is through email, and we also have an Ask the Professor discussion. So I look forward to your team projects. I know, again, it's only the end of unit number 3, but we want to have this on our radar and start reaching out to our fellow team members. So thank you so much for listening, and please take care.